Hello and welcome. I'm Kristy-Lea, and I am the founder of Pattern of Growth Online Business Support Community. And on today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to copy and paste on a Mac using Shortkeys. And I'm going to show you how to do this because it's going to make copying and moving, hence pasting your content, so much more easier. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk through how I copied and pasted something directly from my website, which is essentially my bio. So the very first thing that you're going to need to do is go ahead, and I'm going to share this full screen so you can see it a bit better. The very first thing you're going to need to do is navigate to the site that you want to copy something on. So you're going to go ahead and navigate to a site where you want to copy something on, and you are going to left mouse click, okay, at the beginning of where you want to copy. And as you left mouse click, you're going to keep holding that down, and you're going to just drag your mouse to whatever the end of the text is that you want to copy. Then from there, what you're going to do next is you're going to go ahead and you're going to hit Command and the C on your Mac keyboard at the same time. So I just usually use two fingers and I hit Command C at the exact same time. And as long as you have that piece highlighted as I showed you here, you will be able to go ahead and copy, but it must be highlighted first. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and navigate to where you want to paste this information into. You can paste anywhere you want. You can paste into your courses, you can paste into the freebies you're making, you can paste into your Pages document, your Word document, wherever it is that you can paste something, you can paste the content you just copied. So then what you're going to do next is you're going to navigate to where you want to paste, just like we discussed. Here, I'm actually going to paste it into Canva, which you can see I've already done on here. But how do I do that once I get here? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to click where you want to paste something. And then what you're going to do is you're going to use the shortkey command, Command V at the same time. What this is going to do is it's going to let you go ahead and it will paste for you anything that you have copied over. So as you can see here, I have copied over my little bio from my website and I have pasted it into here. So that's as easy as it is to copy and paste on your Mac keyboard. And now that you have the skills to copy and paste any element really that you want to, any text that you want to, you can click those keys, so Command C to copy and Command V to paste anywhere you want. So have fun copying and pasting anything and everything you can think of. And remember, please don't take other people's information from the internet. I'm talking about copying and pasting your own content. And now that you know the short keys for doing that, check out my free resource below, which is a workshop all about delivering your online course. You can find the link in the description below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ding the bell so that you will be notified of any new how-to and tip videos I have coming out for you in the near future. But before I let you go, don't forget to share with me below in the comment section, what do you think you're going to use your newfound copy and paste shortkey codes for most in your creative process? I look forward to hearing your responses. Let me know if there is anything else you would like to learn about your Mac as well.